Basic usage of the Tiger Drone 2. Remote controller. How to turn on the remote controller. Press and release the power button, then press and hold it until you can hear the activation sound. The leftmost status light indicates the connectivity of the remote controller to the drone. The 4-dot light indicates the battery level. Here's an overview of the buttons on the remote controller. The A button is for automatic return to launch, RTL. The B button is for adding waypoints during plot creation. The C button is for automatic landing. The D button is for emergency disarm. To perform the emergency disarm correctly, this button must be used in conjunction to the left dial by turning the knob down. Finally, the slider is for toggling the headlight. The left toggle switch and the emergency disarm dial. The left toggle switch is for switching flight modes. The bottom switch position enables the automatic flight mode. The middle switch position enables the manual flight mode. Finally, the top switch position enables the AB flight mode. The right toggle switch controls the spraying and spreading system. The bottom switch position corresponds to the automatic spraying and spreading system. The middle position turns spraying and spreading off. The top position is for manual control. There are 2 connectors and 1 slot at the bottom of the remote controller. The first connector is for charging. The second connector is for inspection and maintenance. And the slot is for the SD card for internal storage expansion. There are 2 relevant connectors at the top of the remote controller. The first one is the USB connector, and the second one is the HDMI connector for casting the display on the controller to an external monitor. Fasten the antennas and make sure to tighten them properly. A loose antenna might affect the signal quality. Using the charger and the battery. These are the required components for charging the battery. Battery, charger, charging cable, power cable. The battery charger comes with 4 charging ports. The first charging port. The second charging port. The third charging port. And finally, the fourth charging port. There are 3 buttons on the charger. The first button is for toggling which charging port is displayed. The second button is for selection of charging mode. The first mode is the standard mode, which supplies the usual 30 amp charging current. The second mode is for fast charging and will charge the battery at 60 amp. The third mode is for storage charge. The fourth mode is for slow charge. This mode is best for battery health and will prevent premature degradation. Finally, the last button starts the charging process. Entering high volt mode is done by pressing the mode and the start button at the same time. The 14 cells, 30,000 mAh Tiger Drone battery. Press the power button to check the battery level. Each tick represents 25% of the battery capacity. How to charge the battery. Plug the charging cable into any of the charging ports on the charger. Then securely plug the charging cable into the battery before charging. Once everything is secured, press the start button on the charger to begin charging. When the battery is fully charged, press the start button once to stop charging, then carefully pull the charging cable out of the battery.